लखनऊ से रोड ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं। मैं ये गाड़ी काफ़ी देर देखा था, देख के मुझे मज़ा आ गया गाड़ी। तो दिस इज़ अ फोर्स अर्बना, ये देखो, और इट्स अ टूरिस्ट व्हीकल। एंड चलिए मैं दिखाता हूँ इनके गाड़ी में मतलब क्या क्या फीचर्स है। इट्स काइंड ऑफ एन अमेजिंग फीचर्स विच आई सॉ, एंड दैट्स द रीजन आई थॉट ऑफ लाइक डूइंग a small review for this, and let's get inside. So whenever you come, they will just this is the door gets open, this is sliding door, and something very interesting out here मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ। I'd like to show you. The door gets locked. Okay, as you can see, these are seats. So seat आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ से, AC vents, which is quite normal, but something which I would like to ask the owner to explain क्या क्या है यहाँ पे फीचर्स। तो आप बताइए इस गाड़ी में आपके मतलब आपने तो वैसे 32 लाख में लिया है गाड़ी।
Hi, I'm Sumit.
Hi Sumit ji.
From Delhi.
Sumit from Delhi. So tell me, what are the things, like how much you have invested on this, and for the whole vehicle, what is the total cost, and how much you have separately invested?
Yeah, sure. So first of all, thank you very much for coming to my vehicle. Actually, this vehicle belongs to Delhi, and basically we are in a travel business. So usually we travel with foreigner clients. So that's why I done this kind of modification in this vehicle, and you can feel more comfort, as well as like you can feel like you're not sitting in a normal force vehicle. You're sitting in a modified vehicle.
Right.
So this vehicle is not is a normal modification. We are having some different kind of modification. Like we have a body massager inside the seats.
Can you show us
yeah,
how
sure,
it
you
works?
Can even see as well. Like
See,
there is a small.
every chamber has got a
Yeah,
button,
sure.
right? Every seat has got a massager, right?
Yes, every seat having a body massager.
Oh wow,
You can
it's
feel like
vibrating.
body
It's
massager.
vibrating. Yeah, it's vibrating. You can feel on the back.
Apart from this, you can use this seat like push on back.
Okay, this is a
It will be done
pushback.
by,
It's all it's electronic.
Yeah, it's electronic. Each and every seat is motorized.
And also there is another one
Yeah.
that's
we
to
have a
recliner.
option over here.
You can just press this.
Now you can press it for a while.
Press and hold, and
Yeah.
then here
and
you
then
go.
you can feel like you are sitting in a recliner.
Yeah, this is.
And now you can sleep as well. Like
And what about the other person who is on the back side, the other passenger?
they are also having the same thing. Like they have to like do some more recline.
Okay, so they have to do a little bit more recline, right?
Yeah. So that they can use it as well. See,
Okay.
usually in this vehicle we
Uh-huh.
are having a 17 seating capacity over here, excluding driver.
Okay.
Right now we have a 13 seating capacity. So we have 8 separate seats,
Okay.
one by one. And on the back side you can see, like right now I'm going to sleep on that bag. It's a kind of sofa.
Or tell me something. This one, the massage thing that you are saying, it's like centralized. Like just with one button, everyone will start getting massage.
No, each and every having a separate remote controls over here.
Okay. Let me check that. Yes, guys. आप देखो यहाँ पे see, there was separate remotes on every vehicle, every compartment actually. Oh, another nice thing I just saw that
I want to show you, like
the
we have
refrigerator.
a refrigerator. It's not a normal refrigerator. Basically, it's kind of deep freezer. It works on a DC unit, and here you can see the water bottle.
Wow, it's a chilled water.
Yeah, it's a chilled.
It's chilled water.
Yeah. So it works. It goes around minus 22 degree.
Oh, really? And what are the features of that you have got in your car? Like the vehicle features, like comfort zone, convenience.
Comfort. See, I can't say anything about the comfort zone. Like, if I am telling you something, you can't understand. So I am telling you, you just come and sit over here and make a small trip with us, and then you can feel
I'm talking
comfort
about
zone.
you driving the vehicle. How do you like this vehicle? Like
Yeah, it's an awesome vehicle. It's an awesome vehicle.
Awesome.
Yep.
And what kind of suspension it has?
It's a hydraulic suspension over here.
Hydraulic suspension. Okay, so what's your tourism travels name?
Basically, I'm having my own company. The company name is Kesar Holidays and Travels.
Kesar Holiday. I think we have seen that board somewhere, right? Kesar Holiday.
No, it's that is Kesar Holidays And my company name is Kesar Holidays and for Nest, then
And for-
Travels. Kesar Holidays and Travels.
Kesar Holidays and Travel. You have it on Google?
No, I didn't have any Google account over here right now.
Okay.
But the good thing is I am in this field from last, I think, I started in this from 2006.
Mhm.
So I'm having a very good clientage over here.
Awesome. I wish you all the best, and I'm definitely going to post this